Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to do the program implementation of selection sort. In previous video, we discussed selection sort with an example how to solve selection sort or how to sort the elements using selection sort technique. Now in this video, we will write the in C language. So just start with the code. So first I am writing the title of the program, that is implementation of selection sort. So include header files, include standard input output header file stdio.h, include console input output.h, then start your main function. Then to sort the elements we need array variable, I variable and array size, which is n, and clear screen. Now first we have to read the number of elements, how many number of elements you want to sort, which is called as array size. Read array size. So printf enter array size. Then for reading scanf we will use %d address of. In scanf address of operator is important, so address of n. Now how many number of elements you want to sort is ready. Now what are those n elements that we have to read? So reading elements into the array. So first write on printf enter elements into the array. So for reading an array, for loop is required. So for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, then scanf %d address of your I. Now array elements are ready. Now we have to sort the elements. So to sort the elements here, two variables are required. One is I for loop control variable, loop purpose, j another loop purpose, and for swapping temporary variable is required na? So that temporary variable, and you know selection sort is based on the smallest element finding, so that's why small variable. Just to save your program, selection sort.c. Yes. Now sort logic. Which sort it is? Selection sort logic. For I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1 is enough. Why? Because last element is already only one element is there, no need to find out the smallest element. That's why I is up to or you can write less than or equal to n minus 2. Now initialize a small to I. You know, I think generally to find the smallest element in the array, first we have to find, we will assume first element is the smallest element. So that is the meaning. That means assuming, I am writing clearly what is the meaning of that statement. Assuming ith position element as smallest. Okay, now this element we have to compare with the right hand side elements. So right hand side element means here it is starting from 0. 0th position right hand side is 1, which is nothing but j equal to I plus 1, Next, up to last number we had to move j less than n, j plus plus. Now we have to compare if a of j is less than a of small, then which one will become small? Jth position element will become small. So now I am closing this loop. So this j loop, here this j loop purpose is finding the smallest element present in the array from ith position. After getting the smallest number, so now I am writing the comment for this also. What we are doing in these loops, finding the smallest element from ith position. Now after getting smallest number, what we will do? We had to swap. If swap we had to do if ith position and smallest element position are not same. So that's why I not equal to POS. Then we had to swap now. I think you remember the swap logic. Temp equal to A of I equal to POS is nothing but here small. A of I equal to A of small, then A of small equal to temp. Close this for loop. After that it has to go to the next iteration, like that it will repeat. I loop is closed. So now print the sorted array. The sorted array is double quotes close comma. So for printing, loop is required. I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now printf %d, give some spaces between the numbers, A of I. Then get ch, close your main function. Now compile the program. One error, multiple declaration of IL. Yeah, I already declared. Save and compile. No errors. Array size 6. Randomly I am entering. See, 3, 12, 22, 34, 45 and 66. This is the sorted array. Hope you understand, students, the implementation of selection sort technique. If you have any doubt, you please send your query in comment box. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.